Now I'm going to create a simple search campaign for HowToAds website, and especially for one of my courses, which is the Google AdWords certification course. This will be the landing page. So I'm going to create a new campaign, and I want to be website traffic in the search network. Okay, I will copy the domain here and click continue. So I will name it Google Ads Google Ads search, and it will be only search, so I will uncheck this box here. So Google Ads search USA. What else? Locations. Okay. It will be for the United States. English language. I'm going to put $20 per day, and I'll recommend for the beginning to start with maximize clicks, because more advanced like target CPA or target ROAS or maximizing conversions, they demands more data. So basically you don't have this data in the beginning. So while we will collect data, we want to go for much simple formula, and basically this is maximize clicks, because Google Ads can calculate how it can earn maximum clicks for your budget. So I will leave it like this. Of course I will add extensions, but I'll do it later. So for now I'm gonna click save and continue. And now we are in our first ad group. So let's name it. It is useful when you have targeting or the type of the ads to include them in the titles of the ad group or campaign, so that when they become more and more with the time, you'll be it will be really easier for you to distinguish which campaign is for what. And I can add the year here, because I can change the strategy, or I can save this ad and create another one next year that will be slightly different, and I will save this so that I'll know for what period it is about. Of course all this data is available in the account, but this is just for your ease. Now keywords. Let me go for the keyword planner. It's a free Google Ads tool, and I want to discover new keywords. So now I will enter my keywords: Google Ads, Google Ads courses, Google Ads online courses, and Google, and also I will add AdWords and AdWords courses, AdWords online courses, and you know what, I will remove Google Ads and AdWords because they are too broad. I'm interested only in keywords that are related with courses and trainings and so on and so forth. Okay, let's get results. AdWords course, okay, it's common sense. Google Ads online course doesn't seem to have a lot of traffic. AdWords online course, Google Ads fundamentals, Google AdWords training, course training. Okay, these are all good. Fundamentals, Google fundamentals, no. Google AdWords ads, okay. AdWords fundamentals, answers, okay. Certification training, okay. Google AdWords class, AdWords certification course, okay. Now, you know, when selecting keywords in the beginning, actually you want to be really, how I can say, broad in your choice, since you're collecting data and you don't know what exactly will bring you sales. So basically you're trying to figure out how the market will respond. So you want to be as broad as possible, of course, without crossing. I'll put also Udemy AdWords because I know that there are a lot of courses there, and some of my courses are also in Udemy. So basically I want to put it also Udemy Google Ads, Udemy Google AdWords, training course, okay, training course best, okay, free course, I don't know if I want free, Google Ads online course, best Google AdWords course, Google Ads certification course, free. In this case my course is also for Google Ads certification, since it prepares the people that want to take this exam, and I think that for now it is enough. Now, broad match, phrase match, exact match. I will leave it like broad match, because you know here we don't have broad match modifier, which is the better variation of phrase match in my opinion. And when I'm starting campaign, I always use broad match modifier. It is like phrase match, but actually in phrase match, if you have something in between the keywords, the phrase, it will not detect you. And with broad match modifier, it's much more flexible, and still it restricts some really broader keywords that will broad match include. So basically this is the level that is in between phrase match and broad match, and I don't know why they didn't include it, because now I can add these keywords to my campaign, but since I cannot add them in the version I want, I need to somehow modify them outside Google Ads. So what I'm going to do is I will add them to my existing campaign as they are now, and okay, yeah, I haven't select oh, I haven't created the ad group. Okay, uh, I'll do like this. And we'll save and continue so that I'll have ad group created. Save and continue. Can I save it like this? No, I'll need to create a single ad for now. I speed up the video. I'll just create 3 ad copies, and they'll be completely one and the same. The difference will be just the title, the first line, so that we can test which one will perform better and actually make improvements during the time. And now we have our first ad group created. Now let's see if it will detect yeah, now we have it. Add keywords. Okay, 25 keywords added to your campaign. And now let me go to the campaign. Now as you can see, we have it in the broad match, and I don't want broad match, so basically I will download all the keywords in Excel, and then I'll pause the video so that I will add pluses before each keyword. I'm going to delete the keywords, and I'm going to add the broad match modifier keywords. Okay, perfect. Now I'll go to settings to check if everything is okay. Maximize click standard. Actually, I need to turn back into the campaign settings there. In this case, the ad group settings still doesn't have individual settings, so country, website traffic, maximize clicks 20 per day, campaign options, ad rotation, prefer best performing ads. Okay, seems to be fine. And now I'm going to the ad groups and I'll add some extensions, and I will add a couple of site link extensions. Now we have them, we have site links, so we are good to go. We have our keywords, we have ads, and we will test which one will perform better. So this is a simple setup for search campaign. You can see that it takes no time. Basically, this is the beginning, and from now on become the difficult part and become the part that makes the difference between the different advertisers out there. So basically, in the other videos I'll explain some more advanced tactics that we can use to analyze the competition and also to improve our ads based on the data that we are getting in the process. If you like this video, subscribe for the channel, hit the notification bell, and if you want to check our availability, you can find us on HowToAds.com.